So this is the new Google Nest Learning Thermostat. So I was really excited when they released this product because this is the first time that they've released an update to the Nest Thermostat in years. I think the original Nest Thermostat was a really important product because it was the first time that having an upgraded thermostat became a cool feature inside your house. So the original plan was to buy one of these new thermostats and then upgrade the one that we have in our new ADU build. This is the one that they installed into the house. So it's a pretty standard one, I would think. So the hope is to put one of these on. So as I was getting ready to kind of take this off and look at the wires, I ran into a problem. This is a back plate. There's no wires. So I've never had a new construction build before, but I guess some heat pumps or HVAC systems have a connection that is on the actual heat pump or HVAC itself, and then the controller itself is wireless. So this is just run by batteries. But the problem is there is no wiring here to be able to hook up one of these new Nest thermostats. So unfortunately this product is not going to work for me, which is a bummer because I think this would look really cool in our new place. But at the same time, I think these new wireless thermostats are actually pretty cool too.